Here's what happens after you join MatchCap. First, you'll create your account, selecting a free or paid membership tier depending on how fast you want to move. Next, you'll get access to your personal founder dashboard, where you'll begin training and complete the founder's checklist. This is your business prep phase, where we help you clarify your idea, identify needed resources, and organize your project for funding. Once your onboarding is complete, your project is automatically listed. And that's when MatchCap's algorithm goes to work. Our smart matching engine connects you with an investor who's already aligned and ready to fund. When a match is made, the investor's capital is deposited directly into the vault, a secure digital holding account. You won't get a lump sum upfront. Instead, your capital is released gradually based on real milestones tracked through your dashboard. As you hit each milestone, MatchCap releases funds to your card, giving you full control to pay contractors, vendors, or service pros as needed. The goal: launch your idea and produce real profit within 6 months, while working with vetted professionals who are just as invested in your success as you are. You're not doing this alone. As a beta member, you'll join a private founder cohort for Mentors HIP, expert guidance, and first access to MatchCap's full ecosystem. So don't wait, join today.